Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best high-fiber dog foods that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Wellness Core High Fiber Dog Food. This option by Wellness is awarded our top spot, and it is easy to see why. It offers a huge range of benefits for your dog, including essential vitamins and minerals which take care of everything from cardiovascular health to maintaining a shiny and glossy coat. Containing around 80% more meat than its competitors, this is a high-fiber choice that helps to support a raw diet and philosophy, stripping the dog food back to basics and providing your pooch with an extremely high level of meat that resembles their natural choice of diet. This choice has the added bonus of being all-natural, reduced in fat, and grain-free, making this the ultimate healthy choice for your dog. With antioxidants to help boost nutrition content, and live-action probiotics and prebiotics to take care of digestive health, this is a comprehensive dog food that offers your furry friend everything they need to stay in tip-top condition. The Wellness Core brand has offered a comprehensive package that is specifically designed to target and boost every area of your dog's health and well-being. Based on the natural diet of your pet pooch, and composed to include as much meat as possible, this is a perfect option for those looking for a premium dog food choice. Moving on at number 4, we have the Natural Balance Limited Ingredient High Fiber Dog Food. This high-fiber pick from Natural Balance offers a simple, healthy, and delicious option which is suitable even for those on a budget. The key focus is on eliminating unnecessary ingredients from your dog's food, leaving them only with the essentials which can help to boost health and well-being. Ingredients are kept simple and functional. Salmon helps to provide amino acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy coat and strong muscle tone. Sweet potatoes offer carbohydrates for much-needed energy, as well as a rich source of potassium, and are easy for your dog to digest to allow them to receive the maximum benefits. Natural Balance keeps it simple, and the end result is a dog food your pooch will love which is free from unwanted chemicals, colors, flavors, or preservatives, as well as eliminating unnecessary ingredients. This ensures that everything your dog is eating is nutritious, wholesome, and beneficial. The benefits of organic and natural diets have long been lauded in human society, so why not pass on those benefits to your precious pooches? Natural Balance offers a natural and simple yet affordable dog food that is designed to include everything your dog needs to thrive and has no nasty hidden surprises or additives included. At number 3, we have the Solid Gold Fiber Rich Dog Food. If you are looking for a complete high-fiber dog food that is specially formulated to give your pooch everything they need, this is the ideal choice. Specially designed for gut health in mind, this pick from Solid Gold targets the whole body for a holistic and complete approach to health. With high levels of calcium and phosphorus to help maintain strong teeth and bones, and omega-6 and 3 to boost a glossy coat and healthy skin, this is a balanced food designed to keep your pooch in tip-top condition. Also included are proteins, vitamins, minerals, and amino and fatty acids, all of which work together to provide a comprehensive dietary solution. This is a simple yet balanced high-fiber option for your dog's diet, providing everything they need to stay strong and fit, and remaining free from unnecessary chemicals and ingredients. At number 2, we have the Nutro Natural Choice Adult Healthy Weight Dry Dog Food. We all want our dogs to be healthy, and this includes helping them to maintain a healthy weight. This high-fiber dog food by Wholesome Essentials offers a healthy and nutritious option that will help your dog to stay fit, lean, and top of its game. Each recipe is based around a high-quality protein source, and choices include chicken, venison, or lamb, depending on your dog's preferences. This helps to provide much-needed energy while building strong, lean muscle and helping to watch and manage weight. The focus is on natural and real ingredients, with no artificial filler or unwanted chemicals, and all components are locally sourced and easily recognizable. This is an ideal high-fiber solution to keeping your dog's weight under control while still ensuring that their diet is balanced, healthy and delicious. And finally at number 1, we have the Blue Buffalo Wilderness High-Fiber Dog Food. Blue Buffalo prides itself on creating well-balanced, complete dog food that is tailored exactly to the needs of your pooch. All recipes have 2 parts. Top quality, naturally sourced ingredients, combines with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to provide a thorough total body benefit. Crucial ingredients such as DHA helps to support cognitive development in your dog, while chondroitin and glucosamine support joints and help to assist mobility, particularly in older and larger dogs. All Blue Buffalo's dog foods also contain Life Source Bits, an antioxidant-rich kibble that helps to preserve and boost the nutritional benefits of the food, allowing your dog to receive maximum benefits. This high-fiber pick from Blue Buffalo offers a balanced dog food option for your pooch, specially designed to help support and boost every area of the body for maximum benefits, no matter their age, breed, or size. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.